In primetime news this evening, tourism fallout. Canada suspends flights to the region as part of COVID control measures. Crying shame. PAAC chairman chides successive governments for failing residents of bauxite areas. And on the fit and improper, Buju's application for charity organization denied because of past conviction.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. We have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, our feedback question. This evening, we're asking, what is your reaction to reggae artist Buju Banton's charity being denied registration because of his previous conviction? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.